in the teaching part also, he didn't just teach us the syllabus. He actually helped us to visualize how the processes actually happen around us. So even now when I look at the world around me, it actually is something like you can remember sir telling that to you, like a cloud hitting a mountain, climbing upwards, and after that the rainfall happening. And one more thing that I thank sir for is the full on, like the 360-degree guidance that we had in the class, because the process of studying for UPSC isn't only about studies, it isn't only about the books. So it requires a lot of mental fortitude also. So sir wouldn't just hold a formal class, we would also have interactions about everything, about life in general, and about how to prepare for the prelims examination. And sir all completely took us under his wings. This is something that I'll always be very grateful for. So for that I'd like to thank sir, and it's been a pleasure learning under him.